You've just been pranked by the Prank Patrol.
Welcome to Jakey.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be cooking sausage rolls. First things first, we got the recipe. Our eggs, pecans. So we don't have pecans, but we do have
magic.
I missed some more. It's going everywhere. A teaspoon is. This is a teaspoon, I think. Oh, we've come to another dilemma. We don't have cottage cheese. So what do you use instead of cottage cheese? I'm thinking we could use cheese, or we could use yogurt. Yogurt might work well. Should we try yogurt? Yogurt's basically cottage cheese, isn't it?
You're a wizard, Harry.
It's blending time. Da-na-na-na. Oh. We're gonna go there anyways. That's straight down the middle here. That is the most cool. The mixture goes on here. Why aren't you coming off? And then that.
One eternity later.
Turn her around just like so.
Nom 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 nom. Oh, nom 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 nom. Ah. Bye bye.